Hello everyone, this is RC Anatomy. Today, I have a little package here. This is the Furitek Unity 2-in-1 ESC receiver combo. This is a newer product as of this video, but I got it because I wanted to have brushless power without the big old ESC, because my crawler doesn't have that much space for an ESC. Because if you look at it right now, if you look at my setup, this big old ESC is right here, and then I have a big old receiver up front. So I want to make everything a little bit smaller and more compact over here. So first, let's open this thing up. It comes in this super nice little box. This thing is so small. Oh, there goes the silica pack. We don't really need that though. This super cute little motor. Look at this thing. It's got its super cool like spoke design on the back. It's got a metal gear up front. It's got this ESC around the outside. It's got the plug for your receiver. It's got a little wireless dongle and the battery plug. This also comes with the forward-facing motor mount. You're going to need this because it doesn't fit where the original motor is. So first, let's get this thing apart, get the transmission out, and then we'll go from there. Okay, here we go, test run. This is the first time I've tried it on this course. The one thing I can say already is the control is unreal. The speed control, like, it can go so slow. Like, hilariously slow. Well, I still fell over, but it was really close. And that was first try ever. What the heck is this doing? Oh my gosh, the control is insane. With the crazy steering angle. Oh my gosh. That's the smoothest that's ever happened. I think I'm being eaten by a mosquito right now. Let's see how smooth we can be. Right now I have the servos set to 6 volts. They can go up to 7.5, 7.4, 7.5. You may see there's a hole here. It's because there was a bike hanging up in here, and the hook that was holding it broke, and the bike fell on the course. The course should still work though, so. This is probably one of the greatest upgrades besides the servos and the axles that I've ever done. It's just got so much control. Okay, here we go, the other way around. I can tell the rear servo doesn't have as much, like, power as it did before. At 7 volts. That part you kind of just have to go quickly or you'll bind up. Oh my gosh. Can it be saved? Oh, it can be saved. Oh, okay. It was saved somehow. You can see the tire collapsing. You can see inside the little motor spinning. The most controlled motor on the market, or one of the most controlled motors on the market. Can it beat? There's an awful smell going on in here. I don't know. Something must have died around here, like a gopher or something. I don't know. It smelled awful. One of the most controlled motors out on the market. The Furitek motors are some of the most controlled on the market. Can we beat my hardest part of the mini crawler course? Oh my gosh. No way. That's the first time in RC Anatomy history that we've been able to get through this course completely forward and back. That's absolutely insane. I can't believe how much difference the speed control makes. But, oh my goodness. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit all the bells and whistles down below. And I hope to see you in the next video.